welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I have a little bit of a different Fansells Friday for you. So while it is still an unboxing, these items will not be going into my stash. So a few weeks ago, I asked Fansells about, running something a little bit different for my channel to enable some of you guys to get hold of some of their paintings, and they wonderfully agreed. So the first thing I did was I popped a post on my Facebook group asking people who wanted to join in, and those that did, to pick 3 paintings from Fansells website. I did ask for 30 by 40 or less, but that is because I plan on shipping these to the winner, to pick 3 that they liked, and we'd pick a random winner. And ta-da, here is those paintings. So I have had to, of course, check what the paintings are to make sure that I have the right ones. So before I do open up the first one and allow people to start wondering if it is or isn't them that has won, there will be another opportunity to also win some paintings. So do hit that subscribe button, so that you can keep an eye out for the YouTube giveaway that I will be doing in a future video. But first up, let's unbox the first painting. Now, these paintings are a little bit different. I love the fact that they're a little bit different, and I do like them, but it may mean that people realise whether they are or aren't the winner a lot sooner. There was quite a few duplicates that people liked in the posts, but Number Generator told us who the winner was. So the first painting that they've chosen, look at this, isn't this adorable? And that is such a good image for a 30 by 40. How cute. I can't even tell you what animal that is. It's some sort of cartoony character. I don't actually know where it's from. But they do get the toolkit, basic toolkit, with some baggies. And say it is a 30 by 40. It does not have DMC numbers, and it doesn't have them on the packets either. So it's 20 colours, it is in round, and say there are no DMC numbers. I'm expecting this canvas to be a little bit less than 30 by 40, which it is. It is just under 25 by about 35. But I'll show you the colours. See, I get the benefit of unpacking goodies, but then I get to send them to somebody else to enjoy. I'm liking this. Okay. Oh, we've got some nice, look, turquoise. He likes a bit of turquoise. So we've got a few shades of turquoise going into sort of green and pale blue. Pop of pink, some more blue. More greens, of course, you should expect. Browns, quite a bit of that green. More blues, more green, of a few different shades. Oh, got quite a bit of a beigey colour. And then we've got pinks, and that's looking like black. If it's not black, that one, it's a very, very dark brown, but it's looking more black to me. That one looks like a very dark green. So, gorgeous colours, and I must say a very nice selection. I'm going to fight with getting that back in the bag after. I'm going to move it to one side. So that is painting number 1 that the winner chose. If you're wondering if it's you, keep an eye out, see if painting number 2. If it's not you, then still stick around. It's always nice to know what other people choose. Oh, look at this one. This one, I call this Scary Cat. It's the eyes. It's a pity it's not glow in the dark, but just get it to lie flat. Yeah, so it'll be from some show, I think. But that looks a really nice one to do, actually. It's got a little bit of the same colours and a little bit of confetti. It does look a little bit smaller though. So yeah, this one is actually 32.5 by 23. So while it is on a 30 by 40 canvas, it is smaller. It doesn't have DMC numbers on the codes, on the canvas, sorry, but this one does have it on the packets. So if you can see there, we've got a number 1 and then we've got 307. That's the DMC code. And a way of always telling, this one has 310, which is black, and those diamonds are black. And it likes to curl up, this one. So we'll move that to the side while I show you the colours, but we've got some nice bright colours mixed in with these muted ones. So we've got yellow and black, we've got some more army type greens, some beige, more pops of yellow, and then some more muted browns, more greens. Is that 3371? It is, very dark brown. And then some more greens, and last but not least, a little bit of orange. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to move those out the way again. I will repackage those up. We do get the standard toolkit, but with no baggies with this one. And I'll have to hold open the image, but that is the cat image. So if you're still thinking it's you, let's get to the third one so that you can confirm or deny in your own mind. And then of course I will reveal. Ooh. And there's this one, another cute little animal. This one again is a round, so they have chosen all rounds. 30 by 40, but this one, the drill area is 25 by 35. So we just have the 5 centimetre gap that we lose around the outside. That's quite confetti-ish actually. That's more confetti-ish than I thought it would be, but not too much, not too many different colours. Oh, we've got a posh toolkit with this one. So this one comes with a grip for the pen. I've never seen one come with a grip before, but it doesn't have the MC numbers. So we have to take the pluses with the minuses. This one doesn't come with the MC, but we have got some burgundies and greys. That's definitely looking like 310. We've got some more greys, browns and greys as you'd expect, some greens, very pale grey, mustard, that'll be making up the tree. Then we've got some blues of course for the background, browns and oranges, little hint of purple, and then we've got some more greys and dark browns. So that is, oh, isn't he cute? He's cute. So the winner was Nicola McKay. So a big congratulations, Nicola, just to pick up all of the paintings that she's selected. There's definitely an animal theme going on. There is animals in her profile picture as well, so maybe we definitely have an animal lover. But yes, some really nice selections. If you bob me a message, Nicola, I will get these posted out to you wherever you are. And yeah, I do hope you enjoy. I do hope everybody that's entered had a bit of fun with this, and you can now all relax in knowing the winner. If I don't hear from Nicola within a few days, I will message her directly. But do hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. In with the parcel that these arrived in, there is more. There is more that are destined to go to a new home. to anywhere in the world. I'm happy to ship anywhere. I do just want an opportunity to be able to share some goodies with you all. And YouTube is something that you can watch no matter where in the world you are, and therefore I do believe the competition should be open to anyone in the world. It's quite often that people I watch do competitions, and they'll do, oh, we'll do a voucher, and it's like, well, there's no good to having the voucher because that shop isn't in my country. So hit the subscribe button, but I will pop links to all of these below in case anybody wants to pick these up for themselves. I am sorry for anybody that hasn't won. Say there will be another giveaway. Those were chosen by my contact in Fansells, so if there is any that you do want to purchase, go ahead and do that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.